'Twas the Night Before Christmas. This is a Merry Magic collection from our friends at Hunkydory. Now, what that means is that the papers are printed, or the papers are, a Merry cardstock. So it's super shiny, still has the foiling on it, which is what we expect from Hunkydory. But let me show you the insert. So you're going to get an insert with lots of projects and some other products that coordinate with the 'Twas the Night Before Christmas, and of course we have them all. So let me show you what these look like. Now in total, you're going to get 100 die cuts. You're going to get 2 of everything I'm showing you. So here we have, and Santa is all through these with lots of greetings, lots of other things with it. So up to the housetop, the courses they flew with the sleigh full of toys, and St. Nicholas too. So all of the things that you would expect to see, they are all here. Multiple die cuts on every sheet, I believe. And of course there are greetings on these sheets too. So you get that super high shine. Then in addition, you're going to get the adorable scoreable in the Merry collection. So you'll see Santa, and then you'll have some all over sheets like these. More Santa, of course, and sweet Santas. Sometimes Santas look scary, but not these. These look just fine, and this is exactly what you would expect to see, don't you think? You see the foiling in the windows of the houses. Well, there you go, you can see that. And as I said, all over prints as well. So you're going to get 2 of every single thing I've shown you, and that's going to be 100 die cuts, 8 cardstock, and 16 cardstocks, and then the idea sheet too. So that's the beginning. We also have to coordinate it with it, the inserts. Now the inserts, you're going to get 12 designs, and you're going to get 3 of every single one. So let me flip through these just to give you a look. So it is the same artwork, but you do get, you know, in some cases a portion of it, something that was really more attention getting, and you'll get some that are all over patterns. Now they call them inserts because they go inside the card, but our designers have found that they're very useful for the front of the card, for getting extra mileage out of those wonderful foiled die cuts. Okay, so that's the 12. Again, you're going to get 3 of each. In addition, yes, there's always in addition, there are these panels, and I think this is really interesting. They are, there are 6 designs. Now let me scoot this over so you can see. They measure 3 7/8 by 8 1/4. So they're kind of the slimline style, and you're going to get 6 designs. You're going to get 2 of each. So they're perfect for the front of that slimline card. His eyes, how they twinkled, his dimples, how merry. His cheeks were like roses, his nose like a cherry. So you're going to get the greetings of course, 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. Whoops, okay, you get 2 of those. And there. He had a broad face and a little round belly that shook when he laughed like a bowl full of jelly. And then you get 2 horizontal and another one. Happy Christmas to all. Now, in addition, there is kind of my favorite is the foiled acetate. And you're going to get, of these, you're going to get 4 designs, and you're going to get 4 sheets of each. Now, these are gold foiled. And on the back, they're silver foiled, so you kind of get double the bang for your bucks. And here is another one on those edges. Really nice to have this for shaker cards too, and that's fun. And you have the diamonds on the sides, look very festive. And then on the corner treatment, same thing. So again, you're going to get 4 of each one. And then we also have a bite-sized book. We're getting close so you can see this. This is from 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. They are padded right there, and it's a chunk, as you can see. And in this particular case, they're 4 by 4. That's the bite size, and you're going to get 12 designs. So let me show them to you. Again, they're in the Merry finish. So there's 1 and 2. And this is what I mean by when I say you're going to get an enlarged version, because the Santas were, of course, in a die cut. Here you can really get up close to him. And in the rooftop, with the reindeer, of course, handing out presents, getting a bit of a surprise. That long list of good little boys and girls. Hope you're on that list. And there's a very jolly Santa. And our happy Santa in the sleigh, and then another version of that. You can cut these out. You can use them as the 4x4, whatever you want. In this case, you are getting 48 total sheets, 12 designs, 4 of each one. So that is our bite size. We have the foiled acetate. We'll back up a bit so you can get a look at everything together. Then we have, whoops, right side up, 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. You get the panels, you get the inserts, and you get all of this together. So this is all available as a collection or individually. And we love 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. There's also a storybook that we've had before. That's on the website, so I invite you to take a look.